Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to calculate the first day and the last day of any given date. Okay, what I have here is a set of dates, and I want to find out what is the last day, first day of this given date of that month. For example, here it is July. What is the first day of July? Obviously, is 1st of July 2015, and also what is the last day of this month for a given date, which is 31st of July. Okay, why we are doing this exercise? Because a lot of times you want to calculate revenues, balance sheet, all based on the month's first day and the last day. So for a given invoice date or anything, you want to find out what is the first day and last day. Okay, for example, so such scenarios always very often arise in our calculations. Okay, so we will do this exercise to find how to find the first day and the last day of a given date. Okay, for that I will show to you using a single function, and then we will also show I will also show to you the another way to do that. Okay, so what is the function I am going to use as a EO, end of month function. Okay, what is the end of month function? Okay, it gives it returns the serial number of the last day of the month before or after a specified number of months. So it will give you the last day of the month, okay, before or after a specified number of months. Okay, if you give your date, it will give you the last day of, very straightforward, last day of this date. Okay, for example, if you give this one, okay, but there is something there. You must specify the number of months to be added. You can add or subtract any number of months. For example, I want for this particular date's last day of this month is, I don't want to subtract, so I just put 0. I don't want to add or subtract any months. I want the current month, put 0. So it straight away gives the 31st of July 15. Okay, so if you give 0, it is the current month. If you give 1, it is the next month. It will add 1 month and give you the last day of that month, which is nothing but the 31st of August, because it is July. Okay, if you put a -1, okay, it will reduce 1 month and give you the last month, that is last month last day, which is 30th of June. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to do -1, because I want the last day of last month. Okay, so I know the last day of last month, and now I add only 1 day. It will give me this month first day. Okay, so how to do that I will explain to you one more time. I will put EO, end of month of this date, the date given, and I don't want to do any alterations. I want the same date, same month. Okay, so it will 0, I put 0, so it will bring me the last day of this month. Okay, last day of this month. So if I put -1, it will give me last day of previous month. If so, I know the last day of previous month, so I will add just 1. It will bring me the first day of this month. Okay, this is the way you can achieve your first day of this month. Okay, so there is no changes. 26th November, 1st November, 8th October, 1st October, 30th October, 1st October, and so on. You can see 23rd October is 1st October 2018. Okay, now why the dates are showing like this? Because I already defined the dates in my format cells. Date and date is equal to dd hyphen MMM hyphen year. That's why the dates are shown in this format. Okay, now you can use it any format. Okay, now last day of this month, last day of the date, it is very easy. It's a part of this only. Okay, we are using end of month for the previous month. Use it for current month. End of month of the date given, comma, how many months you want to see, next month or previous month or whatever. I don't want to add any months, 0. So current month, last day. I'll do it one more time. EO month, end of month of the date, and no months got added, just the current date's month, which is 31st October. Similarly for all the dates. Okay, so you use the end of month function to get the first day as well as the last day. Okay, so I hope you are understanding here. Your understanding is clear here. Okay, end of month, and seeing the month date and minus of will go to the last end of month, end of day of last month. Okay, so end of month of last month, previous month is nothing but July, May, June. Okay, June 30. Okay, then you add 1 to that, it will automatically come to the given date's first day. Here you don't add any months, you just get the EO function to do and get the last day of the given date. Okay, and there is one more way you can find the first day. That one is I can show to you here for the reference purpose. Okay, the first day. Okay, first day. Okay, so I will just do for the reference purpose. You can do, how you can do is get the date minus of your days by day function, minus of your day part of the same date. It will go the previous month last day, similar to this end of month A2, end of month date minus 1 is similar to this. Then you add 1 day is similar. Okay, so this is for your reference. Okay, you get the data. Okay, then minus of day of, don't worry about the serial number, because any date it will automatically convert to serial number, the number of the number value of the date. Okay, then so A3 minus day A3. Now just add 1, the same thing. Okay, so this way also you can find the first day, but since you are going to use the EO month for last day, you can use the same for the first day also. Okay, hope this example is useful to you, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my videos, and God bless you.